Mga kapatid, sa lagay ng panahon, hindi man
Tatawag sa pinakamalaki.
Maputol ang komunikasyon sa Tacloban.
Para sa iba.
The storm arrives. Stay informed. Prepare the emergency kit. Charge your device. Secure your home. And listen to official weather updates.
Preparing emergency bag contains clothes, charger, devices, alcohol, clean water, medicine, flashlight, important document, pocket money, sanitary needs, canned foods. As the typhoon strike, stay indoors, keep away from windows and flooded areas. Remain calm, follow authorities, and never risk your safety. When the storm has passed, stay alert, watch out for falling wires, damaged road, and floodwaters. Help one another and continue following safety reminders.